Hello and welcome to CleverTradingFX. Today I will be showing you guys the winning strategy. So basically what you will do is go on the 1 hourly chart. This is important. Write this down, the 1 hour chart. What you do now is go to the pair you like. It doesn't matter which pair, but I recommend using a pair that isn't that popular. Don't use Euro USD, don't use GBP, GPY, stuff like that. Don't use the most known currencies. For example, I'm trading on the gold versus dollar right now, the XAU USD. That's what I like to do, but you can choose whatever you want. I recommend doing something like NZD, CHD, so New Zealand dollars against the Canadian dollars. Why is this? Because if you guys don't know, do research about this, but the banks control the most of the known currencies like the euro, the dollars, because there are the most retail traders. It's the most predictable for the bankers, for the big banks to, manipulate the market. So don't go on these charts, just look for a chart that you like and take that. So just for example, right here, the gold chart on the 1 hour, guys, don't forget 1 hour. What will we do? So basically, it's not a swing trading strategy. It's also not a scalping strategy. We are looking every hour at the chart for a possible opportunity. So this way you can do other things in your life. You can go to the gym, whatever, you can work, but just check your charts every hour. So just put your clock, your timer, 5 minutes before the hour arrives, and then just look every hour for the opportunity. Alright, so as you can see, this looks pretty weird, my screen, but what did I do? I divided the days, as you can see, with the red lines. There you can see the days. These are the days, right? So I put it on every night at 2 a.m. because then for my time, the Japanese market opens, right? Look at what time that is for you, but that basically those are my days, right? 24 hours. Why do I do this? Because then let's take, for example, let's say here you can make the days and you can use the support and the resistance of the previous day. And we are using the breakout strategy. So as you can see right here, this was the previous day. It didn't go over this. It didn't break this resistance. But the next day, so we're trading this day, it broke the resistance. It did a pullback, and here we did an awesome buy. And then as you can see again, like this, for another example, then the next day, or the same day actually, it breaks, retests up, right? You can do it the other way as well. Here you touch the support, here you touch the resistance line, and then as you can see, it doesn't go higher, so you can put a sell. Always look in the past for a strong resistance and support levels on the 4-hour chart. As you can see right here, it touches that resistance line and then breaks through the support line, the support zone, and as you can see, it touches that previous resistance zone. As you can see, that previous resistance zone that now became support, right? So it broke here, support, resistance went to support, and as you can see, this is an awesome buy opportunity once again. Then you take a few pips right here, then again right here, higher high, and then you break through the resistance one more time. So as you can see, this is actually pretty obvious, right? It's pretty easy. When I learned this strategy, I actually did demo for a while, about a month, I think. So make sure you do that, and then once you get the feeling of it, once you start seeing the opportunities, because in the beginning you won't see them, but once you train your eyes to see them, it will become really easy. This is one of the easiest strategies in my opinion, but it does work. It does work a lot. As you can see, this is also a strong resistance at the top right here. Let me zoom in. Here you can see strong resistance, drop, break, retest, one more drop, a big drop, right? So that was really a good opportunity. As you can see, a really strong resistance, breaks to the previous, as you can see, it breaks to the previous resistance, but does and touches this support as well, previous support, and does a pullback to a retracement to that resistance. So as you guys can see right here, At 12, as I told you guys, always wait for the candle to close, always wait for the next hour. But as you can see here, I would have done a really big sell, and as you can see, that's a lot of pips. That's huge, right? But now we can do the same thing once again. It touches this support zone and it goes back to that resistance zone, right? It breaks it, pulls back, and here you can see price action rejecting the sellers. And here that indicates that the buyers are way stronger. So as you can see, that is one sign, but also the support sign is also a sign. I mean, and then once again, you break through, right? As I told you guys, this is a strong resistance level. As if we go further, you can see it touching one more time. So here, once again, guys, it breaks. It retests a little bit. It breaks once again. A beautiful retest right here. Look at that retest. And again, price action rejecting that selling orders. So then you can see one more time a really beautiful buy. I would have put my take profit a little bit beneath that support zone, and then you would have got an awesome trade. And then once again, rejection here on that resistance zone and a really beautiful sell. I can keep showing this, guys. I can go back in time and I can keep showing you guys this, right? So it's a really good strategy, as you can see here, once, twice. Search for that really strong support and resistance zone on the 4-hour chart, because on the 4-hour chart, it's way more obvious. Don't put too many lines, guys. This is already a little bit close to too many. Don't put too many. Only put the really important ones. As you can see here again, touching that support. I mean, here again, touching that support, touching it as resistance. Here once again, support, resistance. So as you guys can see, these are strong zones. Here once again, resistance becomes support, right? Here resistance becomes support again. I can keep showing you guys this. As you can see, the support zone breaks, support, and then yeah, I can keep going. So I'm not gonna repeat myself over and over again. I think it's clear for you guys. One more tip I can give you guys is, by doing this, putting all these important support and resistance zones, right? Let's imagine that this side, that the market isn't here yet, and you have put all these lines. When the market in the future comes back to these zones, you can use them once again, because you know these are strong levels. So this is really awesome, guys. That's all I have for you guys. I hope you guys enjoy it. Use it good. Use it to your advantage. Practice on demo first. And show me your results on Twitter or on our email. And I hope you guys have awesome trading experience and profit. See you guys all later. Take care.